Alright, time to cut out the pattern length for the Fairbanks Morse handle. So we got set up here on the Sears and Roebuck powered hacksaw. So here we go. Check that out. That's nice. Clean cut right there. Alright, I gotta clean this up and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, all cleaned up, ready to go. So now it's time to shape the pattern, but that'll be on the next episode because I gotta get ready for work. So stay tuned for that. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.